Okay, boys and girls. So now what we're gonna do, I got myself a new little whiteboard, and we're gonna practice, we're gonna work on some spelling. And so we're gonna be sounding out, we're gonna blend our words, but I want you to be writing the words down too. So you're gonna need your notebook and a pencil. And the letter sounds that we're gonna be practicing are O-R says or. Okay, so those are spelling words are going to have O-R in them. Okay, so let's start. Number one, so we're going to put number one, the period, we're going to try to write on the line, is or k, fork, or k, fork. Okay, there's that O-R sound. Okay, and if you want to underline it to help it stand out, you can do that too. Okay, number two. And if you need, if I'm going too fast and you need to hit pause, you can hit pause while you're catching up. Okay, number two. I'm going to have the same beginning sound. Or, form. Or, form. Okay, so form, it could be like you're shaping something. It could be a piece of paper that you're having to fill out. Okay, number three is k, or d, k, or d, cord. Cord that goes in, that you plug into the wall, like for your TV or computer or iPad. Okay, number four, and we're going to have 10 words. Number four is or or horn. Okay, like I need to honk my horn. Number five is sh, or t, sh, or t, short. Okay, number six is s, t, or or storm. Number seven, s, p, or t, sp, or t, sport. Okay, number eight is n, or or north. Okay, so the direction. So if we're at our school, the thing that's to the north of us is Blake's. Okay, number nine is or so like or thorn, like rose, that rose has a sharp thorn sticking out. Okay, and then our last word, number 10, is b, or b, or born. Okay, what month were you born in? I was born in February. Okay, so there's our words, so let's read them again. Fork, form, cord, horn, short, storm, sport, north, thorn, born. Okay, so those are the words that we're going to work on for the next few days. In the email that I send out to your families. I'll have some directions on different things that you can do to help you practice these words. Okay?